Close it. Ito. Here. Hindi ako. Kung ito ang gitna. Gitna na. Yan.
They are bored. They are happy.
You come 4 days from there.
That's okay.
Right now, these 2 years, I have 3 months vacation. Because every year,
There, I'm working.
26 days. In 13 days almost, 13 to 14 days each coming. If you working, 26 days additional. That's it.
Because they pay.
Yeah, okay. But before, they're not counting like you can take this year or next year, no problem. But now they say
This year you must
you
consume.
must, yeah.
Mostly company like that now. You need to consume within this year. Otherwise they will forfeit it.
But for us, it's okay. Like, no problem for us.
You will not have stock in the Philippines. Your company.
No, they don't like to hire. They say it's very difficult to bring the document.
Puso kayo. Ano kayo? Are, I'm doing video. How can I hear this nice song, diba? Ay, nila tumingin kung dumadaan na sa sira yung isa na yun, masyadong mataas. Aso?
Mataas talaga.
Ha?
Mataas talaga.
Dahan-dahan yan, mas mataas yung kabila.
Well,